Welcome. Desert Just Planning, and in today's video, we are going to set up week 1. If you have never been here before, I am really glad that you came upon me and I came upon you, and maybe we can put our creativeness together and come up with some really awesome ideas and things. And the reason why I say that is because if you follow me, I follow you, so that you can hit that subscribe button and we can become BFFs. Now, if you have already been here and you are returning, I really appreciate it, and let's continue with the vibe. So my palms are sweaty. I am living on the edge with my whiteout here, but I'm going to delete that part and not let you watch my struggle in revamping this page in whiteout. This is the Motherhood or Mother something planner from 2023 dashboard layout. I am redating it for my 2024. I'm going to use dates and holidays from the Happy Planner, and then we're going to set this up for the 4th of July. For Independence Day, using the Seasons book. So soon as I get done with this, well, it'll be in just a second for you guys. So I'll see you in just a second. So here I've redated it, and we are going to use the Fourth of July Independence little area right here. So I have some of this. I thought about interpreting some of the I don't know what I was gonna say. Thought about putting in some other planners or other sticker books, like Hell of a Plan and stuff like that, but I'm not really sure just yet. Let's just put this over here. So let's see. All right. I do want to interpret the barbecue, so I'm really hoping I can do that, because that's usually what you do, is you're grilling and you got the fireworks. So I'm going to try to interpret as much of that together as I possibly can. See, that's not red, white, and blue. I'm trying to keep it kind of the same. See, there's the burger. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll cover I covered up the pizza. really wish this didn't have the cream background. Yep. Just a little bit of a barbecue to go with the 4th of July, and I think that's a little too much mixture, but it's the kids, so. And we got mustard and we got ketchup. And that's it. That's all I'm putting. Because I don't know about all that bacon and stuff like that. Be someone sunshine today. Alright, that's it. So that's what we got for the 4th of July. We have this. This is actually a birthday for us. But that way we got our grilling, and then we got our, I know that we're going to watch the 4th, but like Isaac has a football game here. There's a soccer game. So hopefully it's awesome and everyone has fun and it stays fun. Like I could do a little quote here and maybe a to-do list there. So if you want to see how the struggle is done, I think I'm going to get rid of these. Here's the struggle. This is what you guys are missing out on. Trust me. You're not missing anything. Ugh. I just want to get that one. That is literally what's going on behind the scenes with this whiteout. I cut it just so it wouldn't have so much string because I had all that string. All right, here it is, the first week in my kiddo section. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I really hope that you come back to see the next few weeks on how I set up the rest of July. And I will see you guys later.